my god, guys, look at this video. I know, right? And I get a snack. Go on the floor if you want them. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna get it. Oh, yo, girlies. Yo. We're here for the party. Oh, yeah, come in. We have girls. Come on. And stand right here. Oof. You fell in food. Let me just pause the show. Well, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom's on the other side. Oh. Well, I fell in food and I might have to wash my hands inside the bath. When you do that, will I watch this? Yeah. Right, girl? Yeah. Okay, you don't have to stand that close. Alright, what are you doing there? I'm just checking what's in your room. Oh, I wouldn't do that if I was you. Who are you? Who are you doing in my room? Oh, sorry, that's my mom. I gotta go. Already? Oh. See you guys. I'm just gonna steal the little sister. Hey, is it okay if I can steal your little sister? Get out the video! Oh yeah, I should be going with you. Yeah, get out. Yeah, just steal, I don't mind. What? That's my sister. None of my toys. Let's go. Yeah, none of my toys. Ooh, cake. I thought I told you to get her. Oh, sorry. Oh, sure. I don't care about my sister. She's your sister. Once I had my sister getting kidnapped. Yep. So? Oh my god. Where's my sister? Guys, my sister's gone. Pew. Hey, we was nearly winning. Ow, you're making me fall in all of this stupid food. Well, get your sister and leave us alone. Yeah, the show was like nearly about to start. This bathtub is sick. Psst. Hey guys, what did I miss? Nearly all of it because of her. What? It's not my fault that my sister got kidnapped. Yo, what? Let's do a mission. See, someone would rather join in. Yeah, because you're fat. Let's eat this food, dude. That might be like moldy or something. Do you eat that food? Nope. Let's just go. Hey, I don't like this cake. Ow! Ugh. I'll let it go. Alright, what's the mission? Ow! I've been knocked over like twice. I'm sorry, okay? Don't throw that in my bathroom. Give back my sister. Oh no! Run. Okay. No. Do it. Well, she's dead. Okay then, let's go and get my sister. Ow. Should I knock you out? Ugh. Now, do not throw her off the edge. I'm coming to the party! Okay then, was that your sister? Yes. And I'm gonna throw this kid under. Ow! Ow! Shut up. I'm gonna die! Don't you dare. Okay, don't you dare. I'll do it. Don't. You knocked me over, you stupid kid. I'm not a kid and I can push you anytime I want. Just calm down. No. Run, Gabe. Hey! Ooh. Oh, she's took a fast nap. All right, don't say that. Okay. Good morning. What? Watch out. Let's go. You grab her. I'm grabbing my sister. I'm too lazy. So at least we got the sister back. Okay. At least they're both dead. Okay. Party! Oh, you're all eating the food about me. Oh yeah, the chills will start right now. Yeah, our bros will miss it. Come on. Ew. Whatever. Okay, that's so good. I think you should get in the show when I just put my sister back to bed. Janice, you can never remember what happened. Yeah. Okay. Guys, did I miss halfway on the show? Yeah. Just sit down, boy. I need to go pee-pee. He looks like a kid, you know. Ah! Good morning. It's not even morning. Okay. What's that noise? Wait, the show ended? Oh my god. Hey guys, did I miss everything? Are you all dead? No, you're just asleep. Why did I do that? Alright, let's go. Good night, little honey. You're my... No, I'm not singing that. See you all.